Food storage. How long can you keep ricotta cheese, commercially packaged, opened? How long does ricotta cheese last once opened? The precise answer depends to a large extent on storage conditions. To maximize the shelf life of opened ricotta cheese, keep it refrigerated at all times. To maximize the shelf life of ricotta cheese after opening, keep refrigerated and tightly covered, either in the original packaging or in an airtight container. Properly stored, an open package of ricotta cheese will generally last for about 2 weeks after opening, assuming it has been continuously refrigerated. How long can ricotta cheese be left at room temperature? Bacteria grow rapidly at temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Ricotta cheese should be discarded if left out for more than 2 hours at room temperature. To further extend the shelf life of opened ricotta cheese, freeze it. To freeze ricotta cheese, place inside covered airtight containers or heavy-duty freezer bags. Frozen ricotta cheese may become crumbly and lose some of its flavor. The thawed ricotta cheese will be best suited to cooked dishes, such as sauces, soups and casseroles. How long does ricotta cheese last in the freezer? Properly stored, it will maintain best quality for about 3 months, but will remain safe beyond that time. The freezer time shown is for best quality only. Ricotta cheese that has been kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit will keep safe indefinitely. How long does ricotta cheese last after being frozen and thawed? Ricotta cheese that has been defrosted in the fridge can be kept for an additional 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator before using. Ricotta cheese that was thawed in the microwave or in cold water should be used immediately. When frozen ricotta cheese is thawed, there may be some liquid at the top of the container. Simply stir it back into the cheese. How can you tell if ricotta cheese is bad or spoiled? The best way is to smell and look at the ricotta cheese. If ricotta cheese turns yellow or develops an off odor or flavor, it should be discarded for quality purposes. If mold appears, discard the entire package. Please suggest what kind of food you want to know about. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to support our channel.